All right, welcome back from commercial break to the Fun with RC Dudes 2020 RC Monster Truck Series. And up next in the final lap is the American Bigfoot truck. And again, this is freestyle competition, so the driver can do whatever he wants. Ooh, he almost went nose over. It was almost a short race or a short competition. He's getting some good airtime there. He's doing some donuts, lining up. Ooh, nice wheelie. Good airtime with the jump. And that is it for the American Bigfoot truck. We will have to consult with the judges and see who won this particular competition. Stay tuned.